Okay, I got my little Isee. Ooh, look at that. I already put, got the band, adjustable band, and it does have combs that you can take out. Boom, I already put some cream foundation on it. I use the darker side of the, hold on, the darker side of the 14. Where's the darker side of the 14? I don't know if y'all can see. Just a little darker than my skin. I tried using a wig cap, but I don't even remember. Did this real quick, lay my edges down just a little bit. I'm not gonna put on a wig cap because the wig cap shows through the lace. It's too thick. So let me see. Put this on. Come right there. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So for, oh, that look good. Ooh, look at that. And before I even put the makeup on, you still really couldn't see. But with the foundation on there, it really helps. My hairline is like here and it comes farther out, which is why I did my edges, because most glueless wigs usually go too far back on the side. So just having my edges out continues to make it look natural. Okay, so Isee does provide you with a HD wig cap though, but I'm in such a rush. And for me who don't, I'm not, even though I'm a hairstylist, I don't do wigs. That ain't my lane. I know pretty much how to do the stuff, but I never put into practice to really perfect it and make it look like it's run out the scalp. So this is for a beginner, for real. Okay? Anybody finna see me? I don't really care. Okay. I'm gonna press this little back. Press that back, son. And for some curly hair, get straight. Look at that. Maybe if I wore the wig farther down, it'll probably come here, but I don't want that. I want it to look as natural as possible. I'm not gonna play no baby hair today. I do not have time, because if it don't go well, my friend gonna be mad at me that I'm not ready on time. I learned from the girlies to get some of this, to melt this down. Let me get this down here out the way. Okay. I'm gonna go too close. My first time doing this shit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use that, I'm gonna put it over here too. Melt yourself in there. Ooh, I feel like cherry curd juice. Melt it. So I'm gonna put this on. I feel real slow right now. Ooh, tell me you don't be doing wigs without telling me, okay? Bam. In the meantime, I didn't have my shirt on already, but I could come on here without one, so. I'll put this towel around here. Okay. I'm gonna get to wetting the rest of this. Ooh, I didn't wet it myself. I should have got a towel. Oh, this skin. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Water Wave. This is a 9x6 M cap by Isee. Yes, that's nice. That's nice. I don't know nothing about how to do the wig. I know how to do these curls, so it ain't hard though. Just water and loose, water and loose. I'll put a little serum too. I just want to add more shine. Somebody gonna bust their ass in this bathroom if I don't like this up good enough. See, and that long part, that's the 9x6. And if you're wetting this, you don't need to do the wax and the and a hot comb for this part, for the top to get flat, because you can put that mousse on there and lay it flat. And if it ain't flat enough, put a scarf and lay that shit down. Lay it down. See, look at that. Y'all. Ooh, y'all. Thank you, Isee. Hey, girl. Because I cannot. If I bought a regular wig, I have to plug and bleach and all of that. I'll be looking like you know this a damn wig. I mean, people know, but if they don't know, let it look good and be like, damn, where they get that damn wig from? There's gonna be somebody who can't tell, I'll tell you that. Be so generous with this mousse. The curl's gonna be fine. Keep that wet look if you like me, like the wet look. If you like a more voluminous look, you can still do this. But when it's set, comb and open the curls up. And that'll give you still a put together, but fuller, more voluminous look. I like the real wet look. And then the next day I don't feel like doing my hair, then you guys have the value. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Yes. This is worth every penny. Wow, that's beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Okay, yes. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in love. This hair is so soft too. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. I probably shouldn't let it all dry right there, but it's okay. Because what I'm going to do is, hold on. So my advice is to make sure I got no damn pieces of hair, because I thought I had it all. Okay, so now you're supposed to take this back and kind of, be lying, okay? Shout out to the girls who don't hold the secrets. Yo, that looks good. Look at that. My mirror's not the brightest in here. My daughter in there hogging up her bathroom, so I probably need a different brush, honestly. And I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm not like a big ass makeup person either, but it definitely needs to get in there. Now this is where baby hair come in handy. Hide all that. I probably should have scooted that back some, but hey, we're gonna live a little best life tonight. My friend ain't gonna leave me. Okay, maybe we need just a little. Just a little. Okay. Let me go ask my daughter if this is enough. Okay, y'all. I know I said I didn't need no baby hair, but I needed to do something because I just need to hide this sun. But for first time beginning, like, this is what it's gonna do. I'm gonna get y'all out here. Sideways. Put on the scarf. That'll make that go. Yes. I want to try the side part next because I'm a side part girl. But this will do. All right, y'all. I'll be back. We're gonna try this again too. I got a straight one that I'm gonna take out the box, do that whole thing straight from how it come out the box and everything. But for my first time trying like a no hairline now, I usually wear my hairline now and put the closure like right behind my part a little off, but there we go. Shoot. You'll be alright. Okay. I need to put on some hoops. That's what I'm missing. Okay. No, bye.